He never seems to have good luck with tires. I don't understand it. What is it with you and tires?
I don't know, but I'm tired of it.
It's weird. You know how to do your car stuff. That's smart. It's convenient.
Well, given how I go through tires,
This is crazy.
it's best to have it all in the car.
Yeah. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. How did you know where to put it? Could you like feel the air or something coming out of it?
Nail.
Holy cow.
Yeah, it was buried all the way up to there.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know how I always find them, but my tires always do.
That is nuts. I chugged like the last like
Not the short
3 like gulps of my kombucha.
Yeah.
Oh. Don't ever try to chug kombucha. It makes you feel a little bit funny. But I feel a little bit healthy though.
I feel healthy. Somebody's on a treadmill. They're thinking healthy. They're thinking after this, I'm gonna have a salad. Not me. I'm thinking if I can live through 45 minutes of this, I'm gonna have raviolis and a nap. So I go through a mantra: raviolis and a nap, raviolis and a nap.
Okay then.
That was jumping it.
Oh, I'm like, what in the world?
Have you done the Dr.
Awesome.
Doom drop towers?
No, thank you.
Yeah, that's it.
No, thank you. But yeah, the 2 years ago, they had the Hulk closed. That was so cool. It started to throw off my equilibrium like right in the beginning. And then I was like, this is so cool. And then I started to think how much it's getting longer. And I was like, oh, now it's the end of the ride. But it was a good leg. Do any of you have a favorite ride at Universal? Islands of Adventure and regular Universal? Let me know. Holy cow. That looks nuts. Why is it?
It's gonna make your butt shake, honey.
For once, I'm actually walking in with my stuff, but he said that you can put it in a thing on the rides. I mean, I'm fine with heights, but up and down, it kind of scares me. There's like no one here. It's like 5 minutes like, oh.
Entry level, secure. All levels secure. Embassy security at 100%.
Maybe. Whoa! Wow. That was cool. I didn't realize how quick Doom was. It's about like a Haunted Mansion. Not Haunted Mansion, good grief. Tower of Terror. Tower of Terror. Yeah, it's a whole lot short. It's the drop like at Tower of Terror. I did not realize that in Toon Lagoon with the water ride, you can blast water at people. You have to spend money to do it though. That's so wrong. 35, that's not
You're going to Hong Kong?
Sure.
Alright, enjoy your trip on Skull Island.
I feel like I'm in a jungle. Yeah, I haven't been on Kong either. I feel like this is all new for me. Ew. Don't poke its nose.
Yeah.
That's not creepy at all. I don't do creepy stuff. Guys, I met a new friend. Okay. I mean, I didn't like. You can't see. I didn't like. They're skeletons.
How do you prepare for a place like this? Then there's the locals.
That was so cool. Like, are you kidding me? At the very, 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 very end, Kong is literally right there as an animatronic. It is so cool. seemed like it was 4D, that's when I was like, wait, should I take my glasses off? Because you took yours off first. And I was like, whoa. He's like, he's right there at you. Wow.
That was cool.
And you've never been on that either.
Nope, never been on. That was the first ever for me.
Copyright. Well, my brother likes Jurassic Park because Steven Spielberg said the same. You will get wet, I knew it. I'm annoying.
Jayne, don't let her see your reflection. She'll freak out. She'll think that's
my reflection.
Good. Back right up to the wall there. Hey, hey, she does not want to get eaten today. Be nice. Back right up to the wall.
He's that one with the dinosaur. Move his head. Aw, man. Well, that was some easy traveling to get to Harry Potter.
What is it?
I would never do that. A ride. Hogsmeade. I like that sign. That's a really cool sign.
Let's do it. Have you ever thought about the name Hogwarts?
No.
Hogwarts.
Okay, so I love Harry Potter World. But I was thinking we needed a locker and the girl was like, oh no, just you're fine. I was like, okay, beautiful, wonderful. So I can film a tiny little bit. I'm okay with not filming on the rides. 1, copyright. 2, sometimes it's like a 4D type of thing, like with Kong. And whoa. This is wonderful that it's not that long of a line. I think it said 20 minutes, so woohoo! Cool. I love you, Jess and Gabe. Can I have one of my own? So pretty. Is like 2 feet away from me. That's how it felt. Oh my gosh, my equilibrium.
Yeah.
Whoa. I have everything.
Lockers on the side.
Whoa. That was nuts.
Where are we going?
I don't know. I feel like that's the door.
Okay.
Go near the exit. Holy cow. I feel like I probably had an X going on in the photo because of the different evil. Oh my gosh. God. I get creeped out way too easily.